Hey guys, so quick and urgent alpha. Right now, Linea just announced the surge tomorrow. And what this means, right here you can see, important note, the early adopter modifier snapshot will be taken on the final block produced on Linea mainnet today, which is basically like 4 hours from this video. I hope I will upload this soon. But what you have to do, I basically created this post. So the only way you can get this early adopter role, you have to sign up, and only way you can sign up is with a referral code. I will leave this Twitter link in my bio. All the links will be in the comment section as well. So you basically go on this link that I will provide. You connect your wallet. For example, I am using MetaMask wallet. You sign the transaction. And that's basically how you basically sign up to the Linea Surge. That's the part one. The part two is you need to provide a liquidity on Linea mainnet. And how you can do it, you basically go on this website, which is called Stargate Finance. And you switch to the Linea mainnet. Right here you can see my MetaMask is on Linea. Right here you can see Linea mainnet. And you go on the pool. Right here you will see Ethereum token on Linea. You press this and you need to supply at least 0.1 Ethereum. I don't have yet 0.1, but I will supply it as soon as I finish recording this video. You basically press 0.1 and you will supply. And in 5 to 6 hours, there will be a snapshot. You can get more information on their Discord, and you will receive an early adopter role. And why this is important is because Linea, I think they raised around $700 million, which means that the airdrop will be insane, and you want to get that early adopter role to get a potentially bigger airdrop allocation. That's basically how you do it, fast and simple. And I don't want you to be late, so if you want to get that role, you have few hours left. So good luck and thanks for watching this video.